On the left, I have a basic HTML page open and I am linking to my JavaScript file. And on the right, I have my live server open. Now I want to go ahead and go into my JavaScript file here. Now I want to move on to the const keyword, and to declare a variable using the const keyword, you simply type const and then the name of your variable, which in our case is going to be z, and then we're going to make this equal to 15. And if we refresh our page, type in z, hit enter, you're going to see that our value of 15 is accessible. And the biggest difference with the const keyword is it's not going to let you reassign this variable at all. So this is really useful if you want to declare a variable that should never change. And I'm going to show you guys this right now. So if I try and say z is now equal to 20, I'm going to get an error code because I'm not able to reassign a const variable. And you guys are going to see that it says assignment to constant variable, because again, I am not able to redeclare a const and I am not able to reassign a const either here. So this is going to keep my variable the same. So if you have a variable that you don't want to change, this will keep you from making any issues. So now we're simply going to add a basic function again. And in this function, we're declaring our const variable of z is equal to 30, and then we're logging it out. So here you guys can see that it's 30. And again, you cannot redeclare this variable here, or you will get the same assignment to constant variable error message here. So there are a few more intricacies when it comes to the const keyword. So up here, I am declaring a variable called fruits using my const keyword, and it is equal to an array. And if I console.log this, it's simply going to print my array in the console here. So I am not able to reassign this variable to something else. So if I want to change fruits to maybe an object, like so here, it's not going to let me do this successfully. So it's going to say assignment to constant variable, because again, I cannot reassign a variable that's declared using const. But what I can do as far as arrays and objects go is I can change each value within my array here by simply typing fruits here and then specifying the value that I want to change. And since arrays are 0 indexed, I'm going to specify 0. So I want to change my apple variable to grape here. Now if I save this, get rid of this comment here, you're going to notice that it does successfully change my 0 indexed value here from apple to grape. So keep in mind that you can change out information that is stored within an array or within an object inside of a const variable, but you are not able to completely change that variable from an array to an object, or from an array to a string, or from an array to a number. So this is going to be the same idea when it comes to objects here. So you're going to notice that my object successfully prints out to my console here. And I cannot reassign my veggies variable to, let's say, an array, but what I can do is I can actually change the values within my object. Now, if I want to change vegetable 1 from carrot to something else, what I can do is specify my variable here, type a bracket, and then specify vegetable 1. And now I can make this equal to, let's say, lettuce. And now if I console.log veggies down below, what you're going to notice over here is that my vegetable 1 is now lettuce instead of carrot. This change is only going to happen if you use your variable after you make the change. So that's the reason it's displaying here in this console.log and not in this one, because JavaScript reads from top down to the bottom here. If you guys have any questions, let us know down below in the comments of this video, or go to our website at kalmanwebdesign.com and we will help you out. Thanks so much for watching.